How to search in Tumblr without logging in. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you search in Tumblr without logging with your account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the Chrome browser, in the source field, you'll have to type for tumblr.com, and after that, you'll be able to see the official website of Tumblr here. So simply, now after this, you'll have to just tap on the search icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from your in the source field, you have to type for the specific search condition whom you want to search in Tumblr. So from here, I can search meme. Alright, so as you can see, I can easily search in Tumblr without logging with my account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.